welcome to 8-Bit Fidgets. Today we're going to be sorting out all my fidgets because I have so many, and I'm going to sort them out into my new fidget box. Commence time lapse right now. This right here is my homemade puppet, or Simple Dimple. It's okay, but it definitely could be a lot better. If you guys want to know how to make this, let me know in the comments. I doubt it, so this is not very good, but either way, it does work. I missed, whoopsie. I'm probably going to stay up here for most of the video. I really hope I'm recording when it falls because it's going to fall exactly on my head. So I have these. Mochi time. Now we will be sorting out all my mochis. Commence time lapse now. Okay, so now I've finished out this box and finally the mochi box. I'm probably going to end up putting them all together. Oh no.